In this example, we're going to look at expected value. So for example 1, read the following. Suppose you and a friend are playing cards and decide to make a bet. If your friend draws 2 aces in succession from a standard deck of 52 cards without replacing the first card, you give him $70. Otherwise, he pays you $10. What is the expected value of your bet? So first of all, drawing 2 aces in succession, meaning drawing 2 aces back to back. The fact that it's saying without replacement is important, so you may want to highlight that or circle that. Without replacing means what? You did not put that card back into the 52 deck of cards. You're down a card, so you're down to 51 cards. You should note that if he wins, you give him $70. Otherwise, if you win, you get $10. So let's look for the expected value. So to start off with, if your friend draws 2 aces in succession, back to back, without replacement, what that would look like, what the probability of that would look like. And that is as follows. 2 aces without replacement. So for the first one, he has 4 chances to get an ace out of 52 cards. But for the next one, he's down to 3 aces because he may have drawn one from the beginning, and he's down to 51 cards because he did not replace that card. And we're multiplying the two to find the probability. So together, that comes down to 12 over 2,652, which reduces to 1 out of 221 chances for him to draw out 2 aces back to back. So that's the probability of him actually drawing the 2 aces. And now let's look. If the friend wins, remember he has 1 out of 221 chances to draw those 2 aces. But if he does win, he gets $70. So when you find the expected value, you need the probability times the value of what they would earn. For his case, it would be $70. So 70 times the probability, 32 cents. But what if you win? So if you win $10. But where did I come up with this 220 over 221? Well, I try to write a note off to the side. Let me scroll all the way down here and move this down a little bit. Okay. So the 220 out of the 221 are the leftovers. So his probability was 1 out of 221. Your probability is 1 less than that because you have a 1 there. So it's just minus that 221. So your probability of winning is a lot higher than his is. And that makes sense because drawing 2 aces back to back is a very low chance. You have a better shot of winning this. But if you win, you only earn $10. So again, we take the probability, times it by the value you would earn, and I come up with $9.95. Well, if he wins 32 cents. If you win, $9.95. So together, I end up subtracting them because if he wins, you owe him 32 cents. If you win, he owes you technically $9.95. So I'm subtracting the two, and your expected value should be $9.63.